afternoon. Thank you for loving me to be here alone. Me to introduce myself. My name is Rupachai Taptipala. My nickname Chai. You can call me 0852086 049. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Nakhon Ratchasima. I graduated from Rajmongkol University of Technology Isan with Bachelor degree of Electrical Engineering. I work at Samsung for my job training. I have achieved to be the leader of class. I have a good skill in operating computer software. I can use AutoCAD view. I can speak English view. I have four skill of Japanese speaking. I am in my your free time. I love play football. I am easy going. I feel like to work with you because your company in will know in this file. Thank you again for me to be here.